everyone, welcome to your math class. All of us know how to add and subtract, right? Today we'll learn to add and subtract in a different way, in which we first break the numbers into easy parts and then solve them. Let's begin. Here is an addition problem 17 plus 29. Now look at this number 17. If I want you to break it into two parts, which two parts will you choose? You can say 16 plus 1 or 15 plus 2 or 14 plus 3. There are so many ways, right? But if I ask you to break it into those two parts, which are going to make my adding easier, then we will all go for 10 plus 7. Because adding tens is so easy. 10 plus 10, 20, plus 10, 30, plus 10, 40, isn't it? So let's write 17 as 10 and 7. Let's break 29 also in 20 and 9. Now adding 10 and 20 is very easy. 10 plus 20 is 30. Let's add rest of the number just like this. What are we left with? 7 and 9. How can I break it to make a group of 10? I know. 7 plus 3 is 10. So let's break 9 as 3 and 6. This 7 and 3 give us another 10. We already had 30. So 30 plus 10 is 40. And plus the leftover 6, the answer is 46. Wasn't that fun to break numbers like this? Now what if somebody wants to break 7 instead of 9 here? What if you say that, ma'am, 9 plus 1 is also 10. So let's write 7 as 6 and 1 and add 9 and 1 to make a 10. Even then, the answer is going to be 46. Then I will say, well done. Now you are thinking. You can break it just the way you want. The only thing to remember is to make groups of tens or hundreds as per the question and make our calculations as easy as possible. The next question is 276 plus 348. First step, let's break 276 into 200, 70 and 6. Now let's break 348 into 300, 40 and 8. Here 200 and 300 together make 500. Simple? Now 70 makes 100 with 30. Can I get a 30? Yes, let's break this 40 into 30 and 10. Now this 70 and this 30 give me another 100. Now let's come to this 6. 6 and 4 make a 10. Can I get a 4? Yes, let's break this 8 into 4 and 4. Now this 6 and this 4 give me a 10. So total 500 plus 100, 600. This 10 plus 10, 20 and left over 4. So total is 624. I am sure you are finding this method interesting. Let's move ahead and solve subtraction questions using this method. We need to solve 32 minus 17. Here also we will break the numbers into easy parts. Remember here, we will compare each place value and then break according to the smaller one. Let's see how. Now 32 has 3 tens and 17 has 1 10. Which is the smaller one? 110. So I write it as it is and breaking will happen for bigger value. So I will break 3 tens into 2 tens and 1 10. These tens are subtracted as 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay, hope that's clear. Now let's move to ones. 2 ones and 7 ones. Which one is smaller? 2 ones. So I write it as it is. and I will break 7 into 5 ones and 2 ones. Now these 2 get subtracted. But I'm still left with 5 ones to be subtracted. So what's left here? 20. Let's break it into 15 and 5. 5 gets subtracted and I am done with subtraction. Remember, we have to make sure that the number which is subtracted, which we call subtrahend, has to become 0. Nothing should be left in it. For example, here all parts of 17 are subtracted. Nothing is left, so our subtraction is done. Whatever is left from minuend is our answer. What is left here? 15. That's the answer. Let's solve one more. 423 minus 257. Same method. We are going to compare and break. How many hundreds? 4 here and 2 here. We write the smaller one as it is. And let's break 400 into 2 parts with 200 and 200. So that this 200 gets subtracted. Easy? Let's move to tens. 2 tens and here 5 tens. I write the smaller one 2 tens or 20 as it is and break 5 tens into 30 and 20 so that these 20 get subtracted fully. Let's move to ones now. 3 and 7. We'll write the smaller one 3 as it is and break 7 into 3 and 4. So 3 gets subtracted fully. Now in the subtrahend, we are still left with 30 and 4. So let's break 200 into 100 and 100. Then this 100 into 30 and 70. So this 30 gets subtracted. But we are still left with 4. So let's break 70 more into 60 and 10. I can easily write 10 as 6 and 4, right? Now 4 gets subtracted. Nothing is left in subtrahend. So now what is left in minuend? It's 166. And that's what is my answer.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed learning something new. This kind of breaking numbers helps us solve these questions mentally. You will do it really well. Just keep practicing. Bye bye.